Kiumia kihituku igoti gucokia CIRA riko nirieheririe mukana wa igoti-ini wa kurugamia watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 na rigiathana wanjiririe kurutithio wira na kurumirira mwerekero uyu ruhonge rwa kungania magoti KIA rwanjitie mihango ya kungania magoti meru maria mari thiini wa watho uyu ikinya riria rirarakite kiama kia MAWAKIRI LSK kiria kihandite CIRA igoti-ini wa kurugamia watho uyu kurutithio wira ihoya-ini ria LSK kuri igoti ria GATIBA na ihoto cia muingi kiama giki kiugite kugathikwo kwa magoti maya ni kunyamaria a Kenya makiria na iri ngarama ya muturire thiete na mbere kwambatira na oho kuongerera murigo makiria kuri andikani riri bururi ugumirwo ni unyihu wa mawira.
We find that as an act of impunity because from the 1st of July there were court orders that stopped the implementation of the fund, and so therefore considering that this is a levy that is collected on salaries from the period of 1st of July have already been paid. So therefore, how do you collect and backdate it?
THIRIKARI kugerera ruhonge rwa KIA ni yaniririe gucokia na thutha ungania wa magoti meru kuma mweri wa July ari ni hamwe na igoti ria nyumba one kuga mwandiko na mwandikani megutinio igoti ria nyumba ria gicunje kia 1.5 hari igana ria mweri wa July na mweri wa kanana. President wa LSK THEURI akirara kuona ikinya riri.
Employees who have already been paid have used that salary. So the employer will find himself in a very difficult position and may have then to levy a double tax on the employer, or rather to deduct all these accrued funds from the salary of the employer, from the salary of the employee who was not whose levy was not deducted because they enjoyed a court order.
Hamwe noguo kuringana na THEURI kiama kia LSK giatamanitie CIRA wa kuregana na igoti ria nyumba ona mbere ya Senator wa Busia THUTHA ahandite CIRA wake kiama giki gikienda CIRA wa uthikiririo.
Our society had filed a petition at the time the Okia Mtata orders were pending before court. There are two prayers that we are seeking before the court, and we hope that at least in the first instance the court will look at the question of the backdating and the difficulties that will cause on both employers and employees.
Ona gutwika igoti ria gucokia CIRA riko ni rieheririe mukana wa watho uyu kurutithio wira tariki 7 kiumia giukite aria makuruhanitio CIRA-ini uyu ari ni hamwe na Okia Mtata nirio makaheo mwerekera uria CIRA uyu ukuoya ni majaji atatu aria mamurirwo gutwithania CIRA uyu ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome.